Okay, this is a great day. I never thought that it may happen this year, but yes, it was a long way both for me and for ZX Spectrum Next team. But here it is, my ZX Spectrum Next, and now I will unpack it. Unfortunately, I don't have even TV to test it, but at least I can open it, look at it, hold it in my hands. I hope it will be for me additional improvement to search for the TV to get it and test my ZX Spectrum Next. Yeah, here it is. Use that Spectrum Next from Kickstarter issue 2. Yeah. New and fresh. Here it is comparing to the old ZX Spectrum 128K. Okay, now we will open it and look what is inside. Careful. First time I'm opening it. Yeah. Oh, here it is. Yeah. This is the box with everything I need, I hope, to make it on. And yeah. Oh, yeah. Here it is. And the something. I think I should be more careful with the book. Yeah, one small book about ZX Spectrum Next. And now actually we can compare the old one and the new generation of Spectrum. Okay. Let's do it. Yeah, here they are, a new one and the old one. Hope in some time I can test them and show you how they are working, because this one I get about a year ago and still didn't have a chance to use at least once. So hope for the next meeting and goodbye.